Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm now at work, and here's how it's called. Yo, good day, guys. Good morning. No, good afternoon. Yeah, we are back to the usual day that we are passing through this way, and I'm saying, "Good day, guys. I just finished my duty." And yeah, I just finished my duty. I started at 6 and I finished at 2 o'clock. Amazing. Look, that house is already done. Beautiful, futuristic. Yeah, beautiful day today, as you can see. Wow, this sky is like a light blue and white blue, light blue, and the water is dark blue. Beautiful. And today we did 83 covers, and we do a la carte breakfast, because because of the restriction, yeah, we can't have a buffet service, and it was good. Everything was smooth. I made some mistakes, like I wasted maybe 6 pieces of egg. Yeah, I've been waiting for it's you. It's you. I've been waiting for. Don't know where to start. I don't know how to handle. And there's new guys in our kitchen. There's new chef. Nice. So it's good. I'm going straight home because I'm hungry. I had coffee this morning as my breakfast in the house at around 4 o'clock, and then yeah, during the lunch I had just bread left over from the breakfast, and now I am hungry. I am cravings for rice. Waiting for you. I got time and nothing to lose. Sorry, doctor. Thank you. Yeah, they're walking their dog. It's really nice in here today again. Every day is beautiful here. You notice that I already cut my goatee. Separated by a million miles of ocean, my heart still feels emotion. I really wanted to bike around first, but I'm really hungry. This is what I wore this morning. Yeah, and also this one. This morning was really cold. It's manageable. It's not very cold when you are working. Yeah, this is going to be my meal. This is the leftover from yesterday. Yeah, there's no more prawns. I'm looking for prawns, but yeah, no more. Yeah, it's paining in here. Yeah, maybe because I was standing, walking for around 8 hours. Outside is windy.
you see I'm alone? Can't you hear the word I say? A little love is all I ask, a little kindness in the night. Please don't leave me behind. No, don't tell me love is blind. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings, but I just can't fly. As the rain goes, pretty girls go sailing by. Oh, gently, I'm so afraid to show my feeling. I have sailing and sailing, so that I will be ocean deep. Will I ever find another? Maybe she has found another. So put myself to sleep. I know this love of mine ocean deep.
Against the light. Yo, good evening, guys. Yes, it's already 6:01, and I'm actually day of today. So I worked yesterday, and I am day of today. But the whole day it was raining. Yeah, so there's no chance to go outside. Also, it's cold outside. Yeah, and there's nothing much. I was just here on the computer and cooking my food. And the food that I'm cooking is the usual that you've seen in the previous vlog. So I didn't film it. And we are doing different setup for today, for these days, for breakfast. We don't do buffet. We are doing like a la carte. So the waiter, they will bring the order in the kitchen, and we're going to plate it. Yeah. And the guests, they are scheduled to come on the breakfast. Yeah, because there is limited people allowed in the dining area. Because until these days, until this time, social distancing is imposed. Yeah, there is restrict when it comes to social distancing. Yeah, but we are busy. We actually did the 83 cover yesterday, and yeah, in the coming days will be more than 100 cover. Yeah, and all those guests are guests of the hotel. I mean, they are staying in the hotel. Yeah, June 1 when the hotels open. Yeah, it's good. So a lot of people are back to work, back to normal, and will be yeah, will be able to get the salary and will be able to pay the house rent and back to normal. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.